Hey guys, all right, I'm in my shop today. I got a few projects going on. First, I'll show you this on the ground here. That is my new headache rack, and but that's a different video. This video, by the way, the headache rack, I'm gonna be repainting it. So it's stainless steel doors, but everything else is aluminum. The aluminum's all gonna get painted to match the truck. Lights, everything's getting replaced. I bought it in really nice condition, and when it's done, it'll be really great. But for right now, this project I got, let me set this up. Sorry for shaking the camera around. Make sure it's showing right. Yeah, so I bought this from Universal Truck Parts Shop in Roseville, Minnesota, and show you what it is. The reason I brought it up, this isn't paid. None of this was free. None of it's paid advertisement. I wanted to say about Universal Truck Parts Shop because they did get this to me really quick, and for free shipping. I didn't pay any extra, but I had it in 2 days from Minnesota to Pennsylvania. So let's see here. It's actually a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Jeez. Look, it's wedged in there pretty good too. So this is from the Skeleton Company. Wow, so excited to open it, I didn't follow along. This is a Scale Start engine start module. What does this say? Read instructions before removing the wire. Okay. Now I pull this out. So, looks like a battery, but it's not. So, I have 4 batteries. I'm going to take one of them. Actually, I'm going to replace 3 of them, and then the 4th one will be replaced with this. So what this is it's got the negative, got the positive, but it also has a starter wire, or starter stud there. Oh, geez, that hurt. So what it does is when the alternator is running, the alternator will charge all 4 batteries. Well, 3 batteries in the start, the Scale Start. But when you shut the truck off, it won't drain from this battery. What's going in here stays in there. It doesn't drain back out. The only thing it does is start the truck. This wire will go straight to the starter, and that's all it does is start the truck. So basically, you can run your batteries down to nothing, and your truck will still start. So right now, I'm gonna go get some new batteries. I got some cores sitting over there. Battery cores, not Coors beer. Got some cores sitting over there. I'm gonna throw in the truck, and I'm gonna run to an extra starter and alternator here in town. Small, locally owned shop, and they do really great work. They have the best battery prices around, and it's where I always get starters and alternators or anything from. All right, so here I got my 4 new batteries, or 3 new batteries, and the start module. So I'll put them all in the truck, and then this right here, this is just a generic little stud. So basically I'm going to take all of the positive wires off of the starter, and they're going to go onto this. And then the only wire that's going to go to the positive side of the starter is going to be this one from the scale start going to the start. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here is everything. I didn't bother showing you the whole install, you know, as far as changing batteries out. If you don't know how to change batteries out, you probably don't want to attempt this install. But yeah, so here's my 3 new batteries, and then here's the scale start. And the only thing hooked up to the scale start is the negative and positive from the other batteries. And yeah, so that goes in, but when these batteries drain, the power doesn't leave the scale start. The power never leaves the scale start except through this cable, and that one is hooked directly to the starter. I showed you that little lug. I took everything off the starter, all the positive wires off, hooked them to, you know, a generic lug there, and that's kind of down in the frame now and real hard to get. I tried to get the camera down there right, but it wasn't going to work. So I had to check the voltage and everything on it. I did that, and then I hit this button right here is the start, is to turn it on. So I turned it on, it went green, and then it flashed for about, I don't know, 10 minutes I guess. And they said that meant that it's charging off of these batteries. It's pulling its charge off of these batteries. So here goes nothing. If this doesn't work, you'll probably never see it, but let's see. So I look up at my volt gauge up there. Hope we're getting there. It shows about 13. Like I said, it is brand new batteries I just put in. So let's see what happens. Oh my God, did you hear how fast that thing started? That thing never starts that fast. See, now this is blinking. Yeah, so now the light's blinking, which means that it needs recharge and it's going to pull charge off them batteries. And basically when you're going down the road, you know, every time you shut it off, this thing should be charged up and ready to go. So I'll tell you what, I got some work to do here at home, and then I'm going to pick up a load in the morning, and that load is going to get me to Louisville, to the Mid-American Truck Show. So yeah, hey, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll keep you updated, you know, on the scale start and how I like it. But from what I hear from other people, it's really, you know, maintenance free. Supposedly I'll never have to do anything with it now, though of course I'll clean up the connections and stuff. But yeah, truck's pretty clean. It could use some polish, but we're going to Louisville. I'm actually going to be in Louisville about a day and a half before the show starts. My wife's flying in the day before, so I'll have about a day off there, and yeah, get some things done. But hey, thanks for watching this video, and as always, you know, like and subscribe if you liked it, and feel free to leave a comment or question or anything you have. So thanks a lot, and I'll catch you on the next one.